Hey guys, make sure to stay till the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on tools, parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3, X4, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2018. If you need to find where the trailer control module, fuses and relays are located, where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Well guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So, before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, bodywork, a little bit of everything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we're going to put links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out, that way do not waste your money guys. Also, we will have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out guys. We'll have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs as well. So let's start on it now. So guys, this BMW has many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know that they even exist. You have up to 5 or 6 different fuse boxes, and for many of you, okay, some of those are special fuse boxes, kind of like this one here. If you don't know about them guys, we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW X3, X4. Check it out, it can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So the trailer control module, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this BMW right here. Now guys, X3, BMW X3 and X4, they're built on the same platform, so it should work for both vehicles. Today we work in 3 different fuse boxes, and the first one, we need to open the passenger door, open your glove box. You need to remove everything out of your glove box, and in the very back on the right side you have a cover. Press that tab, pull that cover out. Behind it you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad, and let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys, you practically wasted your money. So all you have to do check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay, and we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So guys, here multiple fuses. We'll need to in that fuse box just one fuse, and we need to go to multiple locations and check more fuses as well. Here, okay, what we need to check, starting this way, you count 16, 17, 18, 19, fuse number 19 right here will need to be checked. Then you need to open the trunk and remove that cover on the side, lift this insulation up. Behind it you have another fuse box that looks like this one. Let's zoom in a little bit so you can clearly see. Now here we need to check most of the fuses. Here you may have all of them or some of them, depending again on the option, model and year. Fuse number 100 is one of them that you need to check, that very first fuse right there. Then you need to check fuse number 145, so that's right here, check that one. Then you need to check fuse number 146 right there, and you need to check fuse number 148. That's specifically 147, 48, it will be right here. We don't have that one. Now, in the trunk guys, if you leave that cover up, underneath you have your car battery. Here on top you have more fuses. Check those as well, because there is very limited information about these fuses, but you see you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 fuses that you will need to test to make sure that everything is good there as well. Now, relays, practically there are very limited relays in that car. Most of the functions are controlled by modules, and they actually do the relay function. So the fuses are known as relay fuses. If you have problems with it, always check these fuses first. So guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays for your BMW at a good price, quick shipping, guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, because you have very specific fuses, especially these little fuse boxes, guys. Those could be really hard to find. You can see like the one right here as well, guys, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.